Hey D, hope life's going well. Happy Thanksgiving. I decided I was going to go to the store and grab whatever they had for turkey. And what they had was this thing called a hind quarter. I'm not quite sure what to do with it. Well, let's take a look. I don't know if it has a bone in it. I'm not sure what it's really dealing with here. I don't think I have anything big enough to cook it in. So it is the leg and the thigh of the back end of a turkey. Well, since that has the bone in it, I guess I'm going to be cooking this thing bone in. Now, do I have anything big enough for that? I do not. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to do my standard roasted vegetables. And I'll throw the turkey leg on it. And then I will, I guess, cook the other bit in this. Let's see how that works out. I've decided to debone this thing. I don't know why. It just feels like the kind of thing that has to happen. Hey, truth, not even quite sure where to start. I guess I'll start along the bone. Hope it'd be a video of me cutting my fingers off. Get back to you when I've made some progress. So here we go. We have the deboned ass of a turkey. Seemed to have turned out okay. Was easier than I thought. Guess it's time to stuff this with something. Okay, so for my spices for this, I'm going to use rosemary, thyme, and tarragon. And my cunning plan is to make them easier to take out later. I have these disposable tea bag maker things. They're disposable tea filters is what they're called. So I'll start with the thyme, I guess. I'm gonna stuff these in there. And I'll stuff the rest of my spices in there, and then I'll put it in the middle. That way when I'm done cooking, it's easier to get all this stuff out. I don't know if you got it. So I've stuffed all my spices into this tea bag. They will go here when I roll up the thing so that they infuse into the turkey hind. So onto my turkey hind, I put a little bit of seasoning salt. I'm going to put some crushed garlic. I'm also going to squeeze in about 1/8 of lemon, and then for the cooking process, I'm actually going to put peel and all in there. The reason being I want the flavor, but at the end I don't want the lemon in there. Plus I think it'll help make the spice come out of the spices. Anyway, now we roll it up and put it in the pan. Since I'm roasting it anyway, I decided to throw in some carrots, a bit of mushrooms, and some Hungarian peppers. It'll go nice with the other vegetables I'm going to roast. And basically, that's all I'm going to do this. I'm just going to throw it in when I throw in my other stuff and see how it turns out. For the chicken leg, I just put on some seasoning on it, and I'm just going to put it in the middle of my roasted vegetables, and we'll see how it comes out. Hey Dee, so this is how it turned out. There's the turkey leg, there's the turkey thigh with my roasted vegetables. I'll let you know how it tastes.